What's up, everybody? Thanks for coming back with me on another video. Today we're going to be talking about RedBubble. Okay, if you guys don't know what RedBubble is, it's pretty much a website where you can go and post your own design or logos on either t-shirts, cups, masks, whatever the case is. Create like a little store, and when people go and purchase your logos, designs on these t-shirts or whatever, you're gonna go ahead, RedBubble's gonna design them, make them, create them, send them off to the customer, and you get paid. All right, if you guys are new to this channel, my name is Davey G. I talk about affiliate marketing, online businesses, passive income, different ways to make money online here on this channel. If you guys are new, please hit that subscribe button and also type in the bottom in the comments, I subscribe, and I'll get to you guys as I go along, you know, just kind of say thank you and everything. Also hit that bell if you guys haven't, so you guys can get notified every time I do upload a new video. It's different ways to make money online, affiliate marketing, all that stuff. But let's go ahead and get back into the video here. I don't want to get too far out. RedBubble is going to be, let me show you here. RedBubble is going to be a website where you can go ahead and upload your own designs, your own logos, and actually they'll be able to print them on t-shirts, on the masks. You kind of see here on water bottles, pretty much stickers, phones, pillows, whatever the case is, right? What you're going to be doing is you're going to be uploading your own logo. We're just going to stick with logo, and I'll show you later on in this video where you can get ideas, how to do it, whatever, if you guys don't have any logos or whatever the case is. You're going to upload them on here. You're going to pick where you want them, for example, on t-shirts, on mugs, pillows, curtains, whatever the case is. Upload them onto your little store. You're gonna have that link, and then you're gonna be advertising that, putting it on social media. Once people come and purchase that t-shirt, then that actual order is gonna be sent over to RedBubble. They're going to be the ones that are gonna be printing this design onto the t-shirt. They're gonna be the ones also sending and shipping it out to the customer. You're gonna be the one collecting the cash, if that makes sense. Okay, it's a little bit about drop shipping, but I'm gonna show you here how you can actually do it. It's another awesome way. And also it's gonna be zero cost to you guys up front, okay? Because I know a lot of times when we first start off, we're always strapped for some cash. We're starting to begin, so we don't really have a lot of experience. This is also another one that you could actually play with, all right? Let's jump in. I'm gonna show you how to go through RedBubble, and then towards the end, I'm gonna show you where you can get ideas, designs, where you can post traffic, whatever, right? So come on to redbubble.com. First thing you're gonna do is top right-hand corner, you're gonna wanna sign up, okay? Once you sign up, you're going to go to artist sign up, and then you're going to be posting your email. Go ahead and put in your basic info, and I already put it in. Let me go ahead and sign in. I'll get back to you guys right now. All right, so now that we're actually signed in, get this out of the way. Let me get this out of the way. So now that you guys are signed in, we're going to be going through creating products, setting up your store, and then getting paid, right? I'm not going to be going towards the last section, getting paid. That's basically just your info, your direct deposit, your bank accounts, whatever, checks, PayPal, whatever the case is, right? Let's go off to creating products, all right? So we're going to be adding products. So you're going to go over to design, add design, and here you're gonna be able to copy an existing work if we have, or upload new work, okay? We're gonna be uploading this, and as I was saying before, and this is coming out of my computer, if you don't have any designs or anything like that, I'm gonna show you where you can go get ideas, whatever the case is, okay? This is some logos that I have for my ATM business. Let's just go with this one, right? So let's say this is gonna be one of my logos. I'm just using this as an example, but you're gonna be loading up your stuff. The title, you're gonna put in the title. I'll just put in Helly ATMs, which is my ATM business, okay? And then down here is where you're gonna be able to choose what logos you wanna put on which products, right? If you want them on a t-shirt, you could actually click on it, you could actually modify it, put it on wherever you want. You can get it bigger, you can get it smaller, whatever the case is, different colors of shirts. Pretty much you design it the way you want it to, okay? I'm just gonna pick this for right now. You have muscle shirts, you kind of see little dresses, phone wallets, look at this, pillows. You can actually put a lot of this and advertise this on your store. Shower curtains, this is actually cool. And the ones that you want to put on your store, you want to advertise, let's say for example, apply changes. I'm gonna want it on this t-shirt right here. I wanna enable this one because this is the one I want. Let's say I want this dress, I want this phone case, pillow, you know what I mean? You pretty much pick which ones you want to advertise, which ones you want. Okay, once you picked out all your actual products that you want, you could kind of see, look at how much stuff they could actually print on it. Pin buttons, masks. Right now, obviously, COVID's big, so masks is really big. Okay, if you have your own thing, stores, jigsaw puzzles, whatever the case is, gonna come down here and you're gonna, is this a mature content? No. And then you wanna actually just advertise this to anybody so anybody could see it, or only you, which is private, okay? I'm just gonna leave it on public. I accept the terms and conditions, and then you're gonna wanna save work. So this is the products that I picked from my logo. After you picked your products and you picked out your logo, once it finishes loading here, you're gonna then be able to go ahead and start setting up your store, right? I'm not gonna set it up. It's very easy, and it kind of goes down the steps, but I'm not gonna set up the whole thing. I'm just gonna kind of show you, check it out. So this is what's gonna be viewed, right? And then of course you're gonna start modifying it. These are the pictures that you're gonna see. You have t-shirts, you have other dudes, muscle shirts, whatever the case is, the ones that we picked. We have sweaters. Let's see, and then we could add tags, all that other stuff. As it comes down, my computer's a little slow right now. Kind of sucks why it's kind of slow right now. But I do like to talk fast, as you kind of see even from my other videos. I like to talk really fast, and I've actually always try to slow down, but that's kind of just what I am, okay? And then you can start actually advertising it, okay? So you cannot start selling it or having the links out until you actually put in the payment information, which is gonna be step 3 that we were talking about. So they will give you the link, but you're not gonna be able to, people are not gonna be able to purchase it or anything like that until you put in that 3rd section, which is putting in your bank info, right? So look at this comforter. Check this comfort out right here, right? Let's say I want this, copy the link. Okay, this is a link that you could actually have a basic link or the actual link to your entire store that you can post, right? If you send this out, people are going to be seeing this, and of course it costs 105 to create this right here. You could actually make it twin, king, whatever the case is, but this is just an example that you can actually post where people, your customers, viewers, followers could actually see, and of course if they like it, they could go ahead and purchase it. Once people purchases it, they're going to send that information. You're gonna get paid. You're gonna get actually, or have that ordered through RedBubble. RedBubble's gonna create it, send that, and ship it out to that person. You don't touch the product at all, and of course, you collect the profits, right? After you pay your expenses, RedBubble, whatever the case is. Okay. Now that we know that we set up our RedBubble account, we've created our products or uploaded it here on our store. We know how to get our links, all that other stuff. The only thing that we're missing, as I was saying earlier, is setting up that payment plan, right? Where you want to get paid, where are they going to send, where you're going to send them the info, where you're going to send them the money so you can purchase it and of course send it off and everything, right? Now let's talk about where you can actually go to create designs, okay? If you're not really tech savvy or anything, go to Fiverr. Fiverr is an actual really awesome place, and I've talked about this a lot in my other videos. As far as Fiverr, you can actually have other people create your designs or what you want, and then them send it to you, right? So let's just say graphic design on t-shirts. Graphic design t-shirts, right? Because we're just doing this for an example. You have so many people and so much competition, and there's a reason why there's so many people out there, because this is actually banging. This is actually very profitable if you know how to do it right, okay? That's a big key, if you know how to do it right. When I was back in 2019, I tried my own drop shipping store, thinking I could just throw some money in my business or into the actual website and get like 3 times back. That's not really how it works. There is a method, and like I say, if you know how to do it right. Getting back to this, you could actually have people design stuff on you. So let's say you're looking for a design, you're looking for a logo, whatever the case is. They could actually design a logo, design whatever on a t-shirt for you guys. And all you gotta do is just pay them, and you become the entrepreneur, right? You have other people, you outsource all your work. So they're doing it for you, and then of course you send that information, your logo's over to RedBubble. They're gonna do the printing, designs, all that, shipping it to your customers. You just pretty much collect the profits, okay? Now, let's just say that you don't have a logo. You don't know what you're actually gonna put, right? You need ideas. You can actually go and kind of mimic or mirror other people's designs, right? I'm not saying copy, but mirror it, right? You can go to Etsy's a very good place. Pinterest is also another good place to kind of see ideas, what's going on. Let's go to Etsy, right? That's also another place that you can actually sell stuff as far as like t-shirts, right? Let's go with, let's see what they have for ATM. So ATM t-shirts, right? Since that's what I put out there. All right, so you got a couple of designs here. Let's see, not really a lot. Aggie's husband. Yeah, no, look, there's one, an ATM one, right? That's actually pretty cool, pretty catchy. You want something that's kind of catchy, kind of, everybody likes doggies, right? Let's go with dog t-shirts. Everybody likes that. You hold a dog up, you go viral. I've noticed that. So check this out. You can actually get ideas from these guys, right? Kind of the dog father, little paw print, right? These are selling for like $9. Very simple, easy designs that you can actually make, that you can actually think about. Now, let's say you are tech savvy, right? You could actually go, and if it's something simple like, just like a couple words, right? Custom dogs and cats hoodies, right? Your next text here. Let's just say it's a simple design. You could actually go to these free websites like Canva, right? Canva is actually a really good place where you can design your stuff. You don't even have to go and pay for somebody to design it if it's something simple that you could actually do. Now, if it's starting to get a little bit more technical, difficult, and you don't really know, yeah, then you would actually go to Fiverr to have them design it. But if it's something simple, if it's something simple that you could actually write, look at mama, right? You could actually do that on Canva, create your design, send it over, and then of course that saves you a couple dollars, right? So now that we know where to find the designs, right? We can get ideas from Etsy. We can go to Pinterest also, right? That's also a search engine search website where people go to kind of look out for ideas, whatever the case is. Also Etsy. We found places that we can get ideas. We know what we want. If you're really not tech savvy, you want this dinosaur up here, dinosaur mom, then you could go to Fiverr. They'll design it, whatever the case is. You'll get your design, send it over to RedBubble. Since we have our design, now we have our store. Where are you going to actually get the traffic, right? Where's the best place to go? Well, right now, TikTok's actually the hot app right now. You can actually post some videos, some short 15-second videos about your products, reviews, have the world actually see them. Of course, having the right tags, having the right procedures, all that stuff, having the right people seeing it. Or the way that I actually recommend for like pictures, selling t-shirts, stuff like that, visual stuff, go to Instagram. Instagram is actually a really good place that you can come to, post pictures of your shirts, designs, products, and actually have a good amount. I'm just gonna put in t-shirts here because I'm sure, check it out, 847,000 posts. So check it out. You can make a basic Instagram profile here, post pictures, okay? And then people are gonna love them. Hey, I like that shirt, where can I get it? You can actually post your bio and your links up here on the top. Now this one doesn't have it. Let's see who else has it. T-shirts. Let's go to best t-shirts. There we go. Okay, so check this out. This guy has nothing but t-shirts. Look at how he only posts t-shirts. You don't even have to show your face. You don't have to talk on camera, anything like that. If you're camera shy, you can do your work can do everything for you. People are gonna like it. They're gonna come up here and actually buy it. Buy your own t-shirts. Boom. Put your link up here from RedBubble. They're gonna send them straight into that website where they can actually purchase it. Check it out. $26.99, $26. This is actually their actual store. And boom, right? You made money online doing free stuff. You did not have to pay anything up front for anything. Now, Fiverr is a little bit different if you do have to do that design, but for the most part, there's not a huge, large budget capital that you have to put up front hoping to get that back, right? You can actually seriously start from little. Now, I'm not saying that's going to be easy. It is going to take work. It is going to be consistent. It is going to take effort and dedication for you to get your store up and running. Check out this one. This one has 2,000 followers, okay? So 2,000 people are following them, liking their shirts, whatever the case is, okay? Once you start making a little bit more money, you'll start learning how to be able to market a little bit better, right? For example, now you could actually start doing paid ads, right? Now, but that is a sequence, that is an actual process, so you won't lose money, right? The idea on ads is you want to put $1 in, get $2 out, okay? Now, if you guys want to learn how to do marketing, right? Marketing. I do affiliate marketing. But if you guys want to learn how to do marketing in general, there is a course that I promote as an affiliate. It will be down in the bottom. That's for affiliates, but it also shows you how to market, right? It's gonna actually walk you through, teach you the basics, everything that you got to know, how to market, what do people think, right? Psychologically, what are we thinking, how do we buy, whatever the case is, right? There will be a link down in the description if you want to actually are interested on doing for example, affiliate marketing. I recently just made a video on how you can make money with Instagram. I'll post it up here on the card up here, but I literally recently just sent that out, making money with Instagram. It's gonna be the same thing, affiliate marketing, to posting your own links on RedBubble here, and I go a little bit more in detail as far as Instagram and all that stuff. It's almost the same thing, but if you do wanna be interested into affiliate marketing, if you wanna start that, right? Promoting your own products, being a marketer or whatever, without having your own products. Okay, I think I said that wrong. But an affiliate market is you promote other people's products where you do not have to create them, where you do not have to have inventory. There will be a link down in the description right here explaining everything, showing you everything like that. Okay, but other than that, guys, that's all what I have for you today. Recap, we're going to go into RedBubble where we're going to design, create our shirts, our logos, whatever you want into your store on your links. We're going to be posting that onto Instagram, onto TikTok, Facebook, wherever you guys want. Recommendation is on Instagram for this type of products, okay? If you need ideas to get your logos, designs, whatever, go to Etsy, go to Pinterest, check it out. And then on Fiverr, have somebody design them for you. Get that info, send it over to RedBubble, start posting your links out there, and start seeing people purchase your products, okay? Once again, if you guys haven't subscribed, please subscribe down here and also hit that bell so you guys can get notified next time I do have another video coming out. Other than that, guys, thanks for watching. See you guys on the next one.